This is ANN News Brief.
Cameroon has confirmed the first COVID-19 case, making it the latest African country to have recorded cases of the deadly virus. Health Minister Dr. Malachi Manaunda said today, Friday, a 58-year-old French national tested positive for the coronavirus. The victim had arrived in the country in late February. Manaunda has reassured the country government has put in place measures to prevent the virus from spreading. She also said the confirmed case was placed in solitary confinement in a care center in Yaoundé for appropriate treatment. 29 cases have now been recorded in Africa. From Egypt to Nigeria to Senegal, other nations in Africa, and now Cameroon. South Africa Health Ministry confirmed first case of coronavirus on Thursday. South Africa's health minister said a man who had returned from a trip to Italy with his wife on Sunday tested positive for COVID-19. The health ministry said the patient in the eastern province of KwaZulu-Natal had been self-isolating since Tuesday after consulting a doctor over symptoms of coughing, sore throat, headache, and fever. Coronavirus COVID-19 has infected nearly 100,000 persons and killed more than 3,000, mostly in China. Since the outbreak began in Wuhan, people are advised to maintain basic hygiene of washing hands, limit public gathering, and self-isolate or report to health officials to limit the spread of COVID. We'll be right back.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
A United Nations study has revealed that the Greater East Africa region could gain 2 million new jobs if the African Continental Free Trade Area works as planned. The AfCFTA is due to start in July. It is reported as the biggest trading bloc in the world after the World Trade Organization. African Continental Free Trade Area is designated to bring together the continent's 55 countries into a single market of nearly 1.5 billion people with an annual economic output of about $3.5 trillion. The UN Economic Commission for Africa, UNECA, said in its report released on Thursday that will drive industrialization. But it is also said the planned removal of tariffs on more than 90% of goods alone will not be enough. The study warned officials must ensure businesses can move goods freely across borders and that customs rules and procedures are consistent. That is ANN News Brief at 1. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV.